first, the dish card. This is the dish that you'll all be making.
Fish and chips?
Fish and chips.
All right.
All right, chefs, let's see how much time you got. Ooh, the maximum.
Cheers.
I can do everything that I want to do in half that amount of time.
Most important, though, these wild cards.
Most important.
Shirley, what do you got? Must feature an ingredient that starts with the letter K. Wild card, what do you got?
All right. Assign piece of equipment to a player.
Ooh,
That's cool.
Wow.
Fish and chips. What's the piece of equipment you're assigning, Chef Shirley?
Super talented, and I want to make sure I have the biggest advantage possible.
Here it comes.
So I'm going to assign you the waffle maker.
Waffle maker?
2,500 bucks is on the line. Your time starts now.
Woo!
Chef Shirley.
Yes.
Talk to us.
I'm gonna make a kimchi. I got my K.
K satisfied.
Kimchi mochi chips.
Kimchi mochi chip.
Mochi is sticky rice or sweet rice powder and has a little bit chewy and cool. It's a very, very cool texture that I love.
Baking powder. Lots of kimchi.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is good kimchi too. Flavorful, super fermented.
This recipe, I never made it before. But again, I didn't come into this kitchen to lose all my money. So fingers and toes are crossed that the waffle will come out good. Okay. If it doesn't, I don't have time to recover to make another version of it.
Ooh,
Shirley, are you making a mess? Are you making a mess over there?
why are you messing with me?
Chef Martel, we got fingerlings. Okay.
I gave them a little blanch. I'm going to fry them and toss them in a little bit of spicy chili butter.
So we're going heat.
Yeah, for sure,
We're going a lot of heat. What fish are we using, Chef?
Halibut, yeah.
Okay. Chef Shirley.
I'm using cod.
The fish part of the fish and chips, super important. We have cod, beautiful flaky white fish, typically what you would normally see for fish and chips. And then Chef Martel's going with halibut. Two different approaches to the same dish. We'll see how they come out. 2,500 in the pot. Fish and chips and a full 35 minutes on the clock. You are judging off of the execution of the card and taste.
All right, let's jump in here. Fish and chips.
Who takes the pot?
So I'm gonna go with the halibut.
Feel nice.
Yeah, brother, well done, man. I like that spiciness. That green dipping sauce was just money.
I only take a little.
All that.
Round two, second hand. The buy-in for this round is $1,000, chefs. So all three chefs are gonna be making. Here we go, here's the dish.
No.
That's it?
No.
Chocolate
No.
desserts.
No.
Let's see how much time you got. 30.
Okay.
Terrible.
You can
Not
breathe.
bad. Whatever this ingredient is, you have to include in your chocolate dessert meal.
I hate this place.
Oh, come on!
Yes.
What's your wild card?
I got an extra 7 minutes.
Ooh.
Oh, wow.
37
wow.
minutes on the clock.
Sorry, sister.
Oh my God. This is not right.
Chef Tiffany, I'm almost afraid to ask.
What?
Do you like what you have under your card?
I feel dead inside. Pink
Must
ingredient.
feature one pink ingredient. We have $7,000. That's a lot of money in the pot. You got to make a
miss you.
chocolate dessert in 30 minutes. Martel, you have a 7-minute head start.
Yep.
Time starts now.
See?
It's 7 up front?
Up front.
Wow.
7 minutes is precious time, especially cooking against Tiffany. She's one of the most fierce chefs I've ever met.
The 7 minutes is killing me.
Giving her any type of disadvantage is the most important thing. Grab everything that Tiffany might like. That's vanilla.
It's go big or go home. I mean, you folded the first round. Strategy was definitely in play. But now that you're here in the second round, you're kind of like putting yourself behind the 8 ball.
It looks like I'm listening to you, but I'm thinking about what I'm gonna make.
First thing I need to do is use pretzels. I'm gonna make a cookie.
Chef Martel, do you have an idea of what you're going with?
Maybe a chocolate coconut mousse situation.
Okay. The classic, I don't know what to make
Yeah.
as a savory chef. I'm gonna make a mousse. There's a huge line between what it takes to be like a pastry chef and a savory chef.
Keep talking to him. Stay there. Keep chatting. Martel, what are your favorite chocolate things in the world?
Me, my mom, my daughter.
You've got 1 more minute of advantage time.
Oh.
I do not need to waste any more time with this food processor. Come on.
Perfect.
There we go.
Let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's gotten real.
I do this all the time. Martel's the freshman, so he's going down. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. My strategy at this point is like clearly look like I've outworked my competitor and make something that might impress Scott. So I'm gonna make a chocolate pancake with a lot of components. All right. Guava, let's get chunks of guava in here.
Gonna have a pink guava sauce and pink peppercorn.
Pink guava ice cream.
Pink guava ice cream.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
I mean-
whoa,
I mean-
whoa, 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 whoa.
So
She
she-
knows the stakes. $7,000 in the pot. What are you doing differently?
I want to do glazed bananas and pickled golden raisins.
Pickled raisins.
Need a few more elements and show a little bit more technique.
Wow.
I'm gonna need it to beat Chef Tiffany.
What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh my goodness.
It's a chocolate souffle pancake.
Ooh.
Oh, wow.
What's happening? Can I get some wows?
You're making things that I love to eat.
Let's let the painter finish the painting. $7,000 in the pot, second hand. Chocolate dessert, 30 minutes, and the use of pretzels.
So what I see is 2 dishes, 3 chefs,
Right.
somebody folded again. All right, so we got chocolate pretzel dessert. Well, so for me it was the first one was much better.
Chef Martel, once again.
I think the chocolate flavor itself is really nice, and I think chocolate and banana is a beautiful combination together.
So Chef Martel, your stack of money just keeps getting higher and higher.
That's the plan.
That's the plan.
Martel, the youngest, the greenest. Now he's like sitting here taking all our money.
The high stakes round. First one is the dish. This is what you're making.
Okay. What?
Sloppy Joe.
Sloppy Joe?
All right, chefs, let's see how much time you got. We're making sloppy joes in 25 minutes.
I'm not going to let Martel see me panicking right now.
All right, so the final community card is the ingredient. This could change it all.
Oh, ready? Napoles. Oh,
Ooh.
yes.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and dish the wild card to you.
I
So
don't
Shirley,
know
what
if
do you
it's
got?
better. I have to make a side dish.
Let's go to Chef Martel.
I'm staying.
You're staying.
I have steal an ingredient from another player.
I mean, like this too. Hello. Look at these cards.
Obviously, the Wildcard kitchen god loves Martel.
So during the cook, you can go ahead and take one ingredient from Chef Shirley. All right, sloppy joes in 25 minutes with nopales. We're all in with $6,000 in the pot. Time starts now.
Where's ground meat? Oh, right here.
What else? Think this.
I have no idea what else.
I'm just
I never
gonna
made
go
it
in.
before.
I saw some Sloppy Joe boxes before, so I'm gonna make it just like how I remember in the picture.
I'll do some suya spice.
Are you really?
Look
you
what I have.
A suya spice is a spice that Martel introduced me to, so this is probably the ingredient that he's going to take from me. I have my strategy here already.
Where's the Napoles?
And then for a side dish, I'm going to make a pickle Napoles.
I'm gonna go very classic flavors. I'm gonna use ground pork and ground lamb. It's gonna be a beautiful sandwich. Shirley's in for 3K, and I want every last penny.
Chef Martel, can I
Sure.
pull you away for a second?
Why?
Because Chef Martel needs to steal one of your ingredients.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So she has a lot of aromatics, some spices here.
Martel get to take an ingredient from me. So let me guess. Suya spice?
Really?
Thank you for taking the hook.
I refuse,
Okay,
Chef.
he refused to
I
let me use.
refuse. I refuse to let one of my favorite ingredients be used to take me out.
I purposely got suya spice just to mess with you.
It's my strategy play. See? I'm thinking.
We have $6,000 in a pot. Sloppy Joe is the dish that they have to make. Nopales as the ingredient.
All right. I don't think I've had a sloppy Joe since I was in school. That first sloppy Joe was pretty much on point.
Clean sweep tonight. Martel, a clean sweep.
Why?
Your sauce execution was beautiful. Your spices really came through.
I'm going home tonight with nothing. But you know what? I still have so much more money up on him.
Thanks, Shirley. Thanks for that invite. I really appreciate you giving me all the money you had.